Welcome back to the channel. It has been far too long since I made a video. Bunch of crazy things have happened. We lost our camera. It was very expensive. It's gone now. But we finally got a GoPro, a different GoPro. We got a GoPro Hero 8, I believe it is. So probably gonna be recording everything with this. A lot of things have happened to the car and to our other projects that, well, I didn't have time to record, or I didn't have the chance to record because we didn't have a camera. So hopefully, now that things have calmed down with the pandemic, we'll have some chance to go out, show you what has been done to the car, and hopefully, if it arrives before the weekend, have some crazy modification done to this car. We'll just forget about what I said, surprises on the weekend, because we got two now. So we're looking at here is actually our little Cradle Lockout kit from BMR. They're pretty much going to stop any wheel hop that we have going on in the car, pretty much on, you know, roughly digs, which is what we like to do. So we'll just go ahead and get that started. So to install the lockout kit, it's not too much of a big deal. We got one bolt right there, the two bolts for that stamped piece right here, it'll drop down, and then we also have the rear bolt right here. Okay, and the thin one, you got the little cup empty side and it's flat, so the cup goes facing down, just pretty much hugs the whole cradle there. Once you bolt it up, it'll kind of realign itself. And the metal bracket, if you can see the way the bushing is right here, has two sides flat, where this will just slide up on it like that. That way it doesn't turn or move, and then your bolt just goes straight through. You see the black cup up top, we got the metal bracket and our bolt going through it. It's not pushed all the way in, that way we can have some playroom just to get the front aligned. So actually finished one side. You can see the brace. I mean, this thing is sturdy. Looks like a pretty well built kit. Just gotta lift the other side, do that one, and take it for a little run. This will be the first test to the suspension also. We'll do like a 30. Try to brake boost. Still need some revisions, huh?
No, it doesn't go. Obviously it goes. I'm holding myself.
From what?
Oh, because they're going like 100 miles an hour.
Tells you how fast we went. wait till the tune's done.